Next one is someone who I am so excited for. This is somebody, you guys know I talk about dramatic demonstrations, doing stuff that's crazy, that's cool. And I saw this person who's in our community doing dramatic demonstrations dramatically. I saw a video of him doing a webinar on the side of the Grand Canyon. Now, how many of you guys think it's easy to get Wi-Fi to the side of the Grand Canyon? It's not. And there's a whole story and lead up, and it was insane. I was like, this guy is amazing doing dramatic demonstrations at the highest level. And so I wanted him to come and speak to you guys and show you guys what they're doing, why they're doing it, how they're doing it. Someone who I have a ton of respect for, and I'm excited to bring here. Part of our funnel hacker community. With that said, let's put our hands together for Tim Shields.
That song is about worry. Have you ever been worried about your future? Let me tell you about a time I was worried about my future. I was driving my truck down a dirt road on the way to the Grand Canyon, and I had just shut down my online e-com business. I was with my wife, Leah. We were on a 1-month-long road trip, and I needed new direction in my life. I felt lost. I wasn't making any money, and I was without a calling. And this caused me fear. And I prayed on that dirt road to God that by the end of that trip, I would discover a new direction in my life. And the reason we were going to the Grand Canyon is because I wanted to take awesome photos there, because I had a hobby, and that hobby was landscape photography, but it was just a hobby. I never made a penny from it. But the next morning at sunrise, we got up early, and I took... Let me just back up one. There we go. I took that photo of Leah, my wife, at sunrise, and that photo was kind of reminiscent of how I felt in my life. I felt like I was standing on the top of a big canyon, looking down into a dark and uncertain future. So the next day, we drove to LA, because I wanted to get an awesome photo of the Hollywood sign. And while we were hiking up to the sign, I met an influencer. He's one of the best landscape photographers in the world. His name is Serge Remeli. He's a funnel hacker, and he's here tonight. And that's him on the left. And as we hiked up to the Hollywood sign, Serge said to me, totally out of the blue, Tim, you know what you should do? You should teach people online how to take landscape photos. I was blown away. Here I was praying for a new direction by the end of the trip. And on the very last day of the trip, I bump into an influencer who tells me that I need to sell my knowledge online. So as I took this photo that night, I said, God, thank you. You just gave me the answer that I was looking for. But the very next day when I woke up, there was this voice speaking in my ear. Russell called this the resistance. And that voice said, you don't have a following. You're not an expert. No one's going to listen to you. Well, now I am going to introduce you to the 2 words that changed my life. And these are the 2 words that you as an entrepreneur need to use as your battle cry. Just giver. And just giver means do it now. Slay fear. You have what it takes. Seize the day. These words can change your life. So say it with me right now. Just giver. Say it again. Just giver. So when I said those 2 words out loud, they caused me to make a decision right there and then on the spot. I'm going to go for it. And when I arrived back home, I took my first step, which was to read the Expert Secrets book. And then I hired a coach to advise me. And during one of our calls, he said, dude, you need to create your first webinar and sell a masterclass bundle. Those words scared me to death. Now, the thing is, Leah and I, We're about to leave for Europe in just 17 days. And I said to him, there's no way I can do this because we're going to Europe in 17 days. No one can make a masterclass bundle in 17 days plus a webinar. But he said, Tim, you need to create the webinar. I know you can get it done. I got off that call and I heard that evil little whispering voice in my ear again. It's too much work. No one's going to buy your masterclass. No one's going to watch your stupid little webinar. But 2 words popped into my head. Just give her. And right there and then, I made a decision to go all in, full send. And together with my one employee, Fernando, we worked like dogs to create a webinar and a masterclass bundle. And I used that photo of Leah at the Grand Canyon on the box of the masterclass. And suddenly, it was live webinar day. We had so many technical problems. We launched the webinar 3 minutes late. I was freaking out. My hands were shaking. I'm sure many of you know that feeling, right? I would have been blown away if I just had 50 people on live. But guess how many people we had? We had 700 people on live. We made a pitch for $297. And after that live webinar was over, plus the replays for the weekend, we made $34,000 selling a low-ticket offer. Look what happens when you just give her. So over the next 6 weeks, I taught that masterclass, and then I turned it into an evergreen webinar, and to date, we have sold over 12,000 units of that masterclass bundle. What's so cool? It's selling right now while I'm standing here. So here's my question to you. What are you afraid to do in your business? Because the very thing that you're afraid to do is the thing you must do. And there's only one thing that crushes fear, which is when you just give her and take action, because the taking action slays the fear. Now, that first masterclass led to a second one and a third, but my webinars were starting to get stale. And I want to increase the drama in my webinars because more drama means more emotion. And when you give your customers the feeling of emotion, they buy from you. So I got my answer last year on March the 3rd. That's the day that my world changed. I was sitting in my office and I saw a headline that said Elon Musk had just made a change to his Starlink internet satellite dishes. And he enabled a feature called roaming, which meant that for the first time, you could take that dish and go somewhere else with it far away from home, and you would still have high-speed internet. The timing was amazing because Leah and I had a trip to the Southwest planned at that time. So my first thought was, this is so cool. I could buy a new Starlink dish, go on the road on the trip to the Southwest, and do a Facebook Live. But I knew I was missing something. There was something bigger. So I brainstormed with my team, and then the answer popped out like an explosion. I need to host the world's first live webinar from the edge of the Grand Canyon and sell a new masterclass I will create as we drive there. But when we looked at our dates, we only had 21 days to actually get it done. It sounded like such a great idea, but then the next morning, I realized, oh my goodness, we have a 1,300-mile drive. There's no electricity there, there's no cell phone data, and that voice in my head was no longer whispering, it was shouting, Tim, this is way too much work. There are way too many things that can go wrong, and you don't have enough time. This idea is destined for failure. But 2 words entered the conversation that was going on inside my head, and I said them out loud. Just give her. And right there and then, that caused me to make a decision to go all in and do it now. So Leah and I jumped in the truck and started driving to 8 of the most epic locations in the Southwest. First, we started in Seattle and we filmed content to build the masterclass that we would sell during the live webinar at the Grand Canyon. And as we drove from place to place filming content, it felt like we were contestants in the Amazing Race because we were on such a tight timeline. And at the end of this race, we drove for 60 miles on a dirt 4x4 road to get to the edge of the Grand Canyon. And with the clock ticking, we actually made it in time to host the live webinar. I was standing literally 15 feet from the edge. And it was such a dramatic experience that when it was over, I realized that what we had just done was actually pretty darn groundbreaking. It was so epic that we made a trailer. Take a look.
My name is Tim Shields, and I'm a photographer entrepreneur. We're going to travel to the 8 most epic destinations in the Wild West, and we're going to build the perfect masterclass along the way. And we're going to sell the masterclass during a live webinar from the edge of the Grand Canyon.
I'm Leah, I'm Tim's wife, and I'm the videographer.
We've only got 3 more days until the live webinar. How are we going to finish the masterclass?
I have no idea. We may not make it in time. It's over 3 hours of off-roading. We're backpacking a satellite dish and solar panels literally to the edge of the Grand Canyon. Almost at the edge. So many things can go wrong here.
And we are live
From the edge of the Grand Canyon.
Yes. So you're probably wondering, was all the effort worth it? Well, compared with a live webinar from home, we had 3 times more live viewers, and those live viewers were buyers. Who here wants 3 times more buyers at your live events? So do you think we stopped there and just did the 1 live event? No, because if something is working, keep on doing it. So we hosted a 2nd live event, this time from the Rocky Mountains. And then we hosted a 3rd live event from New York City, but this time from a hotel room with the New York skyline in the background. And then we hosted a 4th live event from the sand dunes of Death Valley National Park. And just literally 8 days ago, we hosted a live event from the edge of the most beautiful lake on Earth in Banff National Park. But this time, we hosted it at sunrise and demonstrated an actual live photo shoot as the sun was rising on the mountains behind me, and the reflections off the lake were awesome. And the people loved it. And I can promise you that these live events have given Leah and I the greatest adventure of our lives. And I thank you, Leah. I never could have done this without you. Once I saw the results I was getting, I knew we were onto something really big. When you host a live event from a location that is valued by your customers, it turns a boring event into a dramatic demonstration. And I call this the dramatic demonstration formula. Now, there are 2 reasons why this works. Number 1, live webinars from the field build your authority. And you build your authority because you are seen as the guy or gal at the place doing the thing with the stuff. And when you build your authority, you are viewed as an expert by your customers. And number 2, you build your credibility through a transfer of fame from the location over to you. Kind of like if you were starting a podcast and you had Russell Brunson come on as a guest. Now, when you go live from a location that is valued by your perfect customer, you are seen as an expert who can be trusted, and that is who people buy from. Now, you might be thinking this only applies to my niche. No, it applies to your niche. What location does your perfect customer value the most? Because that's where you need to be. If you teach weightlifting, you need to go live from Venice Beach outside of Arnold's gym. If you teach finance, you need to go live from Wall Street. If you teach country music, you need to go live from Nashville. Now, there's more to the formula than I have time to teach you tonight. You can read about it in my brand new book. It was given out today. You're the very first to get it. I just finished writing it, and there are extra copies at the back. Now, you might be asking, does the dramatic demonstration formula really work? Like, does it pay off? Well, remember, I was on that dirt road just over 4 years ago, wondering what I was going to do with my future. Last night, we just received our 2 Comma Club X award for having $10 million in sales. So you want to impact the lives of your customers and you want to achieve your own success. There are 3 lies that will try to hold you back. Here's what they are. Lie number one, it's too much work. Success takes work, and nothing good comes without some sort of a fight. So when you hear that voice whispering in your ear that it's too much work, what are the 2 words that you're gonna say? Lie number 2, I'm going to fail. You cannot allow fear to hold you back from your greatness. Fear wants to steal your future. You were born for this moment. This is your time. So when you hear that voice of fear in your ears, what are the 2 words you're going to say? And lie number 3, I don't have what it takes. Well, I have a message for you. I was brought here today to deliver this message to you personally. You have what it takes. You can impact the lives of your customers and change your own destiny at the same time. This is your calling. So when you hear that whisper in your ear that you don't have what it takes, what are you going to scream? Just give her! Scream it again! Just give her! Thank you, everybody.